In this video, let us understand how to connect to secure SFTP server and download the reports. In order to access the secure SFTP server, you need to first go to your account settings and create the credentials. Once you have the credentials set up, use the instructions shared in this developer docs to connect to the secure SFTP. Let me take you through an example. So I am now connecting to a test Dropbox using the terminal. So this is the username that is being set up. Upon connection, it requests you to provide the password. So I'm just providing the password here. So now you are connected to secure SFTP. All the reports that we delivered to the users are uploaded to pp-report/outgoing directory. So you can connect to this directory. You can always do a list to see the total number of reports that have been uploaded so far. Now, for example, here are the list of reports that are available in the Dropbox. I would like to now download a particular file. So use the get command to download that particular report. So I am now using a get command to download a sample report. It shows you the progress of the download. So once it reaches 100%, which means that the report is downloaded and available in your local system. So it's now 100%. You can go ahead and view in your local system, and I can show you that the report is already available here. You can now exit from the secure SFTP server. You can go ahead and access your report from your local file system. I hope these steps help you to easily connect with your SFTP server and download all the reporting files. Thank you so much.